Welcome to Appliance Factory Reviews. As always, I'm your host, Richard Hughes. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to be taking a look at GE Cafe, but not a specific model, the whole lineup. They've looked the same, well, for quite a while now. Pro, industrial, good-looking pieces. But today, they are changing the way style's done. So, let's take a look. So Cafe has been a pro style product for a long time as far as looks go. Industrial, big, beefy. I've really enjoyed this product. However, they're really changing the style game on us. So they came out with two colors, matte black and matte white. Now the matte white comes with a brushed bronze handle, very, very unique, and the matte black is still doing a brushed stainless. Now these two colors alone are just a standout option. The matte black is giving you this rich, earthy tone that's not this glossy white black color. Really developed and brings in your kitchen, your wood tones and such. But the matte white, it gives a sense of elegance to a kitchen that we haven't seen from Cafe yet. It really makes a kitchen pop, especially if you kind of stand it out against a different color. Now, the colors themselves, that's fantastic. But what's really making this product be a standalone product is the fact that you can change your hardware at any time. They may come with a brushed stainless on the matte black and a brushed bronze on the white, but you can change it. You can go with brushed copper. You can do a brushed black even. So you actually can have a white and black, brushed black range. So this really allows you to take your range and match it to the hardware that's in your kitchen. This really gives a finish that no other product can touch. By being able to replace these, you can give that custom look to your kitchen on any one of them. Now something that's interesting, and I think this is a really interesting touch, is the copper cuff. It's a little cuff that's on the handle that says Cafe, but it's a copper logo. The design just adds a touch of elegance to this line that we haven't seen yet. So, between the new colors with the matte white, with the matte black, and the ability to choose the color of your hardware, now a kitchen can really come together. Cafe has always been probably one of my top picks for that industrial look, but it didn't give you a lot of style options. They've changed the game, and now I see a lot of Cafe kitchens in people's futures. Guys, thanks again for joining us with Appliance Factory Reviews. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe to our channel, and you'll get more reviews all the time. But follow the Cafe lineup, especially if you've got some clients out there that need that touch, or you yourself are looking for a kitchen remodel. Definitely worth a look. Thanks again.